Email is essential. We use it for everything. But finding email addresses can be a pain. It's like looking for a needle in a haystack. You need to visit countless websites, sifting through pages for a tiny bit of contact information. This process is incredibly time-consuming. It's a real productivity killer. Imagine spending hours on this tedious task, copying and pasting addresses one by one. The frustration builds as you struggle to keep track. You know there must be a better way to streamline this process and reclaim your valuable time. There has to be a solution to this common problem. You need a tool that simplifies email extraction, a tool that does the heavy lifting for you. What if there was a way to effortlessly gather email addresses? Imagine the possibilities if you could automate this tedious task. Don't forget to subscribe to the Snore Data Extractor YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more tips. The solution is here. It's a Chrome extension designed to change the game. This isn't just another extension, it's your secret weapon. This powerful tool empowers you to extract emails with remarkable ease. Say goodbye to manual labor and hello to automation. This Chrome extension is incredibly easy to use. Just add it to your browser and watch the magic happen. Once installed, it will effortlessly detect email addresses on websites. No more endless scrolling or frantic copying and pasting. The extension does all the work for you, quickly and efficiently. Imagine visiting a website and instantly having a list of email addresses. This is the power of this game-changing tool. It's time to unlock a new level of productivity and efficiency. Picture this. You need to contact dozens of potential clients. Their email addresses are scattered across various websites. In the past, this would have been a daunting task. But now, armed with the Chrome extension, you're ready to conquer it. With a single click, the extension scans the websites. In seconds, it gathers all the email addresses into a neat list. It's like a superpower. You've just saved hours of manual work. This is the magic of the Chrome extension in action. This tool empowers you to work smarter, not harder. You can focus on what truly matters, connecting with people. No more wasted time on tedious tasks. The Chrome extension transforms email extraction into a seamless experience. Section 4. Efficiency Unleashed. The benefits of using this tool are undeniable. Time is precious, and this extension helps you save it. Imagine reallocating those hours to focus on your core business. You can connect with more people and grow your network exponentially. The Chrome extension streamlines your workflow and boosts your productivity. It empowers you to accomplish more in less time. This means you can achieve your goals faster. Say goodbye to the frustration of manual email extraction. Embrace the power of automation and experience a new level of efficiency. The Chrome extension is your key to unlocking email magic. It's time to simplify your life and achieve more than you ever thought possible. Section 5. A new era of email. In today's digital age, efficiency is paramount. The Chrome extension for email extraction is more than just a tool. It's a game changer. It empowers you to navigate the digital world with ease and precision. Embrace the future of email marketing with this innovative solution. This tool will revolutionize the way you collect email addresses. It will free up your time and allow you to focus on what truly matters. Join the countless users who have already unlocked the power of this Chrome extension. Don't wait any longer to experience the magic. It's time to take control of your email marketing and reach new heights. Install the Chrome extension today and see the difference for yourself.